In today's video, I'll be testing the OTG support on the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. So grab your external drive or your flash drive, and if it's a Type A connector, then you'll probably need an adapter, which is Type C to Type A. If, however, your flash drive or hard drive is a Type C, then you can just insert it into your phone. So connect your flash drive or hard drive to the adapter. And once connected, insert it into your phone. So it should look something like that. Then next, you should see in the status bar a USB icon. So swipe down. Under notifications panel, you should see USB storage added. This means that the flash drive or hard drive has been successfully read by your device. To view the contents of the flash drive, open the Files app or My Files on your device. Then under the section labeled Storage, you should see USB storage. Tap on that and you should see the contents of your flash drive or your hard drive. So now you can move items to and from the flash drive and your phone very easily. So say for example you wish to move these two videos, then we can just long press to select them. Then you can choose between move and copy. So let's select copy, then you go back and select the location. So you would select internal storage and choose the location of the two files. And vice versa applies if you wish to move things from your phone to the flash drive. Next, if you decide you wish to eject the USB storage from your device, you can do this in two ways. You can tap on the three dots next to USB storage 1 and then select Unmount. Or you can swipe down for the notifications panel, tap on the drop down arrow next to USB storage added, then you should see Unmount. Now this will successfully unmount or eject your USB storage from your phone. Now you can simply remove it from your device without harming any files on either storage, the USB storage, or your phone. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.